This is Science Mentor. In this lesson, you will learn how to create and use dynamic named range in Excel. A static name always refers to the same cells, meaning you would have to update the range reference manually whenever you add new or remove existing data. If you are working with a continuously changing dataset, you may want to make your named range dynamic so that it automatically expands to accommodate newly added integers or contracts to exclude removed data. For example, I'll select the ranges B1 to B9 and C1 to C9 and name them range 1 and range 2. I try to calculate their sum using names. When you add a value to the range, Excel does not update the sum. To expand the name range automatically, when you add a value to the range, execute the following steps. On the Formulas tab, in the Defined Names group, click Name Manager. Click Edit and in the Reverse To box, enter the formula. Equal offset $B$1 00 Conte $B to $B1. Click OK, and now when you add a value to the range, Excel updates the sum automatically. The offset function in Excel returns a cell or range of cells that is a specified number of rows and columns from a cell or range of cells. Do the same for range 2. And you can see the result. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.